Okay guys, I'm about to take out the barbecue dish. So be very careful because it's extremely hot. I'm gonna grab it, get a good grip of it, and then pull it out. Be careful. It's real hot, extremely hot. Just like that. Now, let's close the door from the oven. Make sure to turn off the stove. Ready. That's what it looked like. This is the barbecue dish going on this plate. So, I'm gonna go ahead and uncover it. I'm gonna be very, very careful. Right from the end. Ready? See how it looks like. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a piece with a fork. I'm more into the thighs than legs. I'm not really into legs. I like the thighs. Some beans. I'm gonna cover the barbecue chicken, just like that. This is the food. And that's what the plate looks like. The leg quarter with barbecue, or the barbecue chicken, beans, the cactus leaf right here, the green one, and the carrots. What's up, you guys? My chef cap. I'm gonna try this carrot. Really hot. It tastes really good. Real good, guys. It's really soft. And I'm about to eat my cooking meal that I just cooked right in front of you. See? Delicious meal. This delicious meal. Barbecue chicken, cactus, carrots, some beans. What about to drink? May I drink jarritos? Mandarin or mandarina jarritos. This drink is really good. Actually, I just went to Dollar General to buy this, and they're $1.95 for this 1.5 liters. You see the picture right there? The boy and the girl, they're about to drink jarritos, or actually the guy is whispering, about the jarritos. It's just a really nice picture of a promotion of jarritos. You can see it right there. And there's the jarritos right there. This is an open bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right in front of you. Just like that. You can add ice to it if you want. Make it colder. It's cold. I had it in the refrigerator, not because Dollar General did. But the price for this right here is $1.95. It's cheaper than the Sprite. The Sprites are about $3. They used to be like $1.99. Damn. Good price. $1.95. There's pineapple too, or piña. Okay, you can get both. $1.95 each. Dollar General. You can't beat that price. Hey, the cheaper the better. Save a lot of money. Hey, it's a Mexican product. Hey, Mexican products are awesome. Hell yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Salud. To drink You can drink anything you want. The best thing is water. A lot of people drink, or a lot of guys drink, beer. Whatever beer you want. If you want beer, I don't know. I don't drink beer. I like water. Water, like a drink, fruit punch. I like jarritos. Yep. But water is the best. It's healthier. I like lemonade too. Lemonade, oh my God, that's so good. Water is the best. You want some? I have to cut this up. Thighs are my favorite. You want some? Hey, you gotta try this at home. It's so delicious. Hey, I cook this all by myself. I love cooking. I mean, it's not that hard to cook. You just gotta learn and do it. You can tell your wife to cook, or you can just do it yourself. You got hands, you got feet, you can cook. You got a brain, hey, use it. You will make some good cooking foods. You didn't be telling over there your wife, hey, I need for you to cook. Hey, I need for you, or your girlfriend, whoever. Hey, do it yourself. And you will learn to make different kinds of food. There's nothing wrong with cooking. Just do it and you will learn. You will make some amazing dishes. Believe me, just like this one. You want to do something, you don't wait for somebody to cook for you. You just do it. You can cook anything. Learn. Homemade food is the best. Learn how to cook. The best thing you can do. Cooking is just... Now, I'm gonna eat cactus. Look, so nutritious. Real soft. No wonder why the cows and the bulls like this. They're so good, especially with lime and some, what do you call that? Some salsa. Ooh, delicious. Or when you grill it outside, oh my God, it's so good. I just put it over there to boil, that's it. Cook by yourself. You wanna add some lime, it will taste really good. Some lime, oh my God. Some seasoning, it will taste really good. I'm telling you, woo, good. It doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter. What matters is for you to eat nutritious foods. That's what matters. Learn how to cook, whatever you like to cook. I'm like, I don't want to cook this because I haven't. Just cook. It doesn't matter. Learn how to cook. That's the best thing you can do. If you know how to cook, if you want to cook different things, different meals, good for you. If you're hungry, cook. If you have money, you can go to a restaurant and buy something to eat. It's up to you. But homemade food is the best. Believe it or not, Cactus is really good. Believe it or not, the Cactus is really good. Believe it or not, the Cactus is really good. You know, there's nothing wrong with food. Food is food. You cook whatever you want to cook. Right now is barbecue with chicken, some beans, a leaf cactus, carrots. Amazing, delicious food. Not because I made it, but it tastes really good. It tastes really good. Try this at home. You will like it. You will enjoy it. Just do as I did in the video and, okay? Nothing hard. Don't make things that are easy complicated. It's more complicated to make the video. Yeah, it's more complicated. You know, like turning the camera on and turning it off and doing this and doing that. You know, it's a lot of work, but it's fun. I love it. I enjoy every minute of it. Right now, I have the camera right on my tripod, looking at you guys, filming, recording. Not. Oh man. But it's true, you know. I mean, enjoy what you do. Enjoy what you do, okay? Just enjoy it. So good. Really good. You can go ahead and add some lime to it if you want. Really up to you, whatever you want to add. But it tastes really good, okay? I'm not a fan of legs. None of this. I'm not a fan, but I'm thankful to eat it. I like thighs. Chicken breast or thighs. Thighs are my best. I'm gonna go ahead and drink water now. It's called purified water. And you can buy this at Dollar General. They're probably about $5. Or you can go to Sam's also and buy them over there. Like 32 for about $5 or $6. They come to a 32 pack. 32 water bottles. The water is good. I also like the Smart water. Tastes really good. But that's more expensive. But it's really up to you what you want to drink. Cold, really good. You know what? If you go to the store and you buy the 32 pack, which is for about $5 or $6, it's huge. It's, you know, huge. It has about 32 water bottles. The other thing is that it's for $5 to $6. But if you go to the refrigerator, just because the water is cold, that they got some and put them right in those refrigerators, it's about $2. What? So what you want, guys? What you prefer? I'm like, hey, go get the case over there. It's better. Drink water is the best, but it's really up to you. The best is water for the body, for the system, to clean the system. Good for your kidneys. But let's continue eating. Look at it. I don't have nothing else, you know. It's just like that's all I got, guys. You want another cactus? It's okay. Another cactus. You know what? I'm gonna try this with lime. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, I'm gonna add some lime to the cactus. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some lime to the cactus. Lime squeezer. Just like that. Turn it around. Basically it.